Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today's video is a speed clean. This is just basically what I managed to get done in a day. So I did a lot after I dropped the boys off at school and then when they were in bed later on. So it's sort of like split into two halves of the day. But I'm starting off in Dylan and Archie's room. So I'm just going to neaten up their beds. They do attempt to make them themselves in the morning, but they do struggle a little bit. So I'm just going to neaten them up and just get rid of all the books that are normally on both of their beds that they've had before they go to sleep, and also just rearrange Archie's little monkey family as well. He is absolutely obsessed with monkeys and is getting a little collection of soft toys of them. Very, very cute.
I just can't help myself.
I'm then going to sort through the build-up of stuff that is all over the boys' desk. So I've got some washing to put away, lots of stationery, games consoles, more books, just things that have just been building up because things just tend to gather in that area.
True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel.
I was going to leave those boxes there a little bit longer. They are the advent calendar boxes that I did for the boys, and then I decided no, don't leave them there, actually do put them away because it's not Christmas anymore. I'm just using some of this Pink Stuff disinfectant. I use this everywhere. I really like it. I think it just cleans really nice, so I'm just going over all the surfaces with that and a cloth. I also decided to move the TV over from off the desk because I just think it's going to be better for the boys to have that desk space as an actual desk, because the TV just makes it much more difficult. And not that they actually watch this TV very often, but if they do want to, then they can watch it from Archie's bed. I'm also just going to fold all this washing, which is mainly pyjamas to be honest, and just get those put away. I tend to just put pyjamas in pairs and like roll them up so that it's a pair together so that they don't all get mixed up all the time.
Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning.
Then just cleaning the window and going over the blind and all of the frame and everything with, again, the Pink Stuff. It just cleaned it up really nice, gives it a really nice shine, and it smells nice as well.
No hesitation, talk as we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you.
And again, the same for the boys' wardrobe, which these are a pain. I always like to use one of these glass cloths on things like this because I just find that wardrobe a real pain for smear marks. I'm just giving the book beds a little clean as well because, again, loads of fingerprints, little marks on them. They do need repainting. Actually, I do this quite often, so I might have to do that soon and just get some more chalk paint to paint over the bunk beds again. Then I'm just going to hoover the floors, and it was due to have a bit of a carpet clean, which I'll link down below. It's such a good carpet cleaner. It was a brand I worked with a while ago, and I've just absolutely loved this carpet cleaner ever since. And I also put the boys' rug in the wash because it's a great one. I think I got it from Home Bargains, but it's just really good that you can actually just chuck it in the washing machine. Dries really quick as well, so everything in their room was nice and clean and fresh.
I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna stay, gotta be alone. Let's talk, meet me at the avenue. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me.
to my room, I'm just going to make the bed. There's just the usual things to do in here, just putting a few bits of makeup away, cleaning the dressing table, which again I am going to do with the Pink Stuff spray.
I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay. But let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you used to hold me. Like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the way you make me grounded. Thinking of the way you used to hold me. Like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still
Then just more of the same, using the Pink Stuff all over the room. I definitely don't use as many cleaning products as I used to, and if I find a spray, like a disinfectant spray that I can use on everything like this, I don't know if I'm supposed to use it on some of the surfaces that I do use things like this on, but that's just what I end up doing. I will just go around the house with a spray and a cloth and sort of just wipe everything, because that layer of dust can soon mount up. So yeah, just using that one product I find really handy if I don't have to swap and change for different things.
what you really mean to me, but I feel a bit insane. Could you just take me seriously? I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to.
I am then just hoovering, and again I'm going to use the carpet cleaner in my room as well. There was definitely some makeup and bits on the floor that I really needed to get the carpet cleaner on, which thankfully did come out. I am honestly just the most clumsy person ever when I'm doing my makeup. I don't even know how I managed to make the mess that I do, but yeah, thank God for carpet cleaners.
Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game. If I let you in, I want you to stay. And I hope that I'm not wrong. And you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down, running to the clubs trying to have fun. But I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it.
And then just spraying the bed and soft furnishings with a little bit of this like room spray. I can't remember exactly where I got this from, but it smells very nice. And then using a bit of glass cleaner on my like bigger mirror, because that needed doing as well. And I just about had time before I had to go pick the kids up to just stick some of this toilet cleaner in. So I really like this Pink Stuff power foam. You sprinkle it in the toilet and then it just fizzes up. And I also have one of the because I have a little bit of a toilet brush phobia, don't like having a toilet brush, but I did get one of these silicone ones from Morrison's, which is just so much more hygienic, so I'm really glad that I got that. Then later on in the evening, outfit change, and my hair is up now, but I've got time to do a little bit of cleaning in the evenings. It's what I tend to do with like the downstairs, so I'm just going to give the living room a clean. So starting out with just hoovering round, because if I at least have the energy to hoover, I always feel like that just makes such a difference to the room. It just automatically feels so much cleaner. I'm just using the little nozzle on the hoover and just going over the chairs because they were looking a little bit crummy, and the windows and just underneath the chairs as well, because them crumbs and feathers off the pillows get everywhere. Then just sprucing up the chair a little bit, putting all the cushions back, because when the boys come in from school, these are just all over the place. So once they're in bed, there's chance then for the sofa to look a little bit more tidy.
You think that you're under my skin. I just wanna wake up in my bed alone. Oh no, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. I will close my door 'cause I need my time.
Putting little Rudy's steps back, and then Febreze all over the chair, just because I love the scent of that Febreze.
You don't know me, I just need my time.
Then just to hoover the other side of the room. I do need to use the carpet cleaner in here as well, but I definitely did not have the energy to do that on this particular day.
Nice to be alone, so lonely. I see you going through some things and
I'm then just dusting the fireplace, so just whipping everything off there, and again using the pink stuff just to go over that.
I need some time alone. Yeah, you look perfect, you're my type. Sweet and you care about my night. But I'm sobering up in this moment's past. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be tucked in someone else's arms. 'Cause my heart just
As you can see, even though it's not autumn anymore, I did keep a few of my pumpkins around. I do have a slight problem with pumpkin accessories, or I did this autumn, so God knows what it'll be like next autumn. But yeah, I did keep a few out just because they're so pretty.
But they say I don't know where you come from. I don't. You seem too nice to be alone. So lonely. I see you going through some things and I just wanna help. I don't know how to make it clearer. I just wanna go home alone. I need some time alone.
Then there's normally a pile of stuff that is gathered at the bottom of the stairs. This is where I put everything that needs to go back upstairs. So I am just going to put all of that in its rightful place. Then into the kitchen, I am just having myself a little late night iced coffee as well. Not the best idea probably, but it just helped me get through this last bit of cleaning. I'm sticking the dishwasher on, which is crazy full, and again wiping down all surfaces with the pink stuff. Just using this all over my house today.
I wanna go home, Lord. I wanna go home. I just wanna go home. No, 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 no. I wanna go home sometime.
I've got my little coffee bar station here still set up. So I did this as a hot chocolate station for Christmas, and I really didn't want to get rid of it, so I've kept the stand up and just kept it the same really, but just less festive. So we've got the coffee syrups, still got the hot chocolate on there, because the boys obviously still love hot chocolate, and I think it's nice because it can just be there all year really. And I am loving at the minute having iced coffees, so I like to have a little bit of syrup in there, so I've got a nice little selection of them.
Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. So you were like me, wanna be free like a sun.
Basically lots of just wiping every single thing in sight, and then I feel a little bit better. I'm using some of the Pink Stuff cream cleaner on the hob. I also used this on the sink as well and on the extractor fan. Another really nice product. I don't think you can really fault the Pink Stuff, all of their products. I'm then just spraying down the hob with the Pink Stuff spray, made it really nice and shiny, and just shining up the extractor fan. I forget about, to be honest, and forget it needs a bit of a clean. Yeah, the Pink Stuff cream cleaner all over the sink, giving that a really good clean. I just used a sponge to clean all of that off, and it was gleaming afterwards, very nice and shiny. And then I just put in some hot water and a little bit of Zoflora. Oh no, not Zoflora, was it Fabulosa? I think I used the opulent range of that, and then just left some of that in the sink so that it would just make the whole room smell nice. Then stuck these in the washing machine for a quick wash, these little kitchen mats. Then just giving the utility room a little bit of a freshen up, and I'll be honest, I probably should have done the floors that night, but my energy levels completely ran out, so this is where I obviously gave up and ended the video. But I really hope that you enjoyed seeing this little clean with me, and I would love it if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did. And yeah, I'll see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.